How y'all doing? It's your girl Tanya Rochelle. Man, y'all, I have been having so much fun over there on TikTok. Like, what? I be going live and see, like I told, if I could go live on YouTube, man. But I need y'all help. I need for y'all who mess with my channel, who watch what I do. I need y'all to hit that subscribe button. I be needing y'all to hit the like button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 so I can really bring you the content that you need. Like when the thought hit me on a lot of things, I get inspired to speak. And I've just been going live on TikTok. So they've been getting the gems. So, and I know I'm sure I can figure out how to do both of them at the same time. But I need y'all help. But I just came over here just to talk about the countdown on June the 15th. The Medical Commodities, I extended it until the 15th. I was waiting on some people who asked me just to give it a little bit more time, and I'm doing that. So I had a few more people who reached out. So y'all got 5 more days before I change it over. So if you want to go ahead and get in, it's discounted now. You might want to consider it. But I was on TikTok earlier today, and I was packaging up one of the orders that I had today. I just been getting a little bit more behind the scenes, I guess, on TikTok. Like, when I'm doing invoices, and I sat there, I'm like, here, sit here while I make money. And then I think I did one because I started another online store, and I told you I was going to be coming with drop shipping and stuff like that. So it's starting to make money. Excuse me, y'all. It's starting to make money now. So I'm just working on it, getting it tweaked and getting it ready. And then I'm going to show you what I did. Simple as that. So that's it. But it's work, but it's a better type of work. It's the work where you can, pick and choose when you want to work and what you want to do and how you want to do it. Just as long as it gets done. I mean, you don't choose entrepreneurship to be lazy. Let's get that very clear. We are anything but lazy. See, we're the people who are on a job, and we when we there, we there. When I'm working, I'm working. I'm giving you my all. But see, it's hard when other people have to determine what you are worth. I always, as I was, learning, getting better in my craft, I appreciated getting paid based upon my effort. Because as long as I knew what to do to get to the end goal, and I can keep doing it over and over and over and over and over again, nobody stopping me but me, please. Oh well. But that's me. So entrepreneurship is for the person who's a go-getter. And it's also for people who can learn how to be go-getters, but you're gonna have a slow start. You just gotta, it's really a mindset, because it just makes sense for me to work and do and I know based on if I make this move or that move, what the money is, and it just works better for me. And then I start tweaking and fixing and getting things going, and I start learning to work smarter. And that's it. Totally enjoyable. So I just want to stop over here for a little bit. Like I said, I've been having fun over there on TikTok. So I'm waiting on y'all to help me get to 1,000 over here on YouTube. so we can go live and y'all can get that information too. But I'll just check in from time to time and drop some videos and upload and all of that stuff. So, but anyway, so just to kind of recap, 5 more days, Medical Commodities, it'll be going up to 300. That's how we're gonna be going forward, because you have to remember too, you get a lot of my, they get information direct from me, and plus the training. Plus in the middle of the day, hey, I got a question about this, that, and the other. And I respond, I respond. And so I'm just saying. Okay, y'all, but it's, I'm honestly, I'm pushing this really for you to go ahead and get in, take action. I don't like to push fear or anything like that, but handwriting is on the wall. Gas prices is hitting people a lot. Food, same thing. A lot of things are going on, and we need money. We operate where you have to have currency, money. And if there's a way that you can get that done by helping other people, and it saves you time, and that's the main thing, it saves you time. You can make what you could have made in a week in a couple hours. You understand what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. It's just a way to expedite getting things and enjoying doing something else with your time instead of just working all the time. And don't get me wrong, a 16-hour day ain't nothing for me. This is like the norm. However, it's different because my work is mostly cerebral. A lot of my work is thinking. And that's one thing that I learned when it comes to success. When they say that, really, the success is truly 80% mental, 20% work. Because see, the things that I do that generate me the income that I get and things like that, it's really nothing. It's nothing hard. It's pretty simple. It's like the way things are nowadays. Like I said this a long time ago, the small business owner or the person who aspires to really just make a change in their life, take advantage of social media. This is the poor man's TV. That's what I said years ago. So I don't claim being a poor man, but I'm just saying, look at the power in social media. I think about, I have people who I've done business with, I have never met in person, ever. The way business is being done, people, is totally different now. I was thinking about, like, even for one of my stores, and I set it up, and one of the vendors, we video chat through WhatsApp, or when they have a live thing going, they'll tag me for me to see merchants. I'm like, this is, and they in China. It's absolutely amazing. And it's exciting at the same time. So I was talking to my son earlier, and I'm like, it's so easy to go global. Don't you see it? The possibility is right there. All you got to do is formulate the thought and get it going. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to drop in. I'm not gonna let this video be long. Just wanted to give that update and see how y'all doing, and encourage you to subscribe and share this video with some folks that you may know who want to make money from home or online. And instead of having to get another job, like, really make the money, spend time with your loved ones, take care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? Travel, or we'll do whatever you want to do. But I know for me, I want to travel continuous. We could go somewhere about every quarter, my family and myself somewhere. And that's what you should do, because don't fall for the trick of you work so hard and you got to wait till you get a certain age before you can retire. And then you try to travel and don't do that. It's just as hard as you work, it should be as hard as you play. But you gotta make sure you're doing things, to where you continue to have money flowing to you easily. You need to learn when it comes to the mindset development, or even learning how to let go, and meditation, and making sure you're not putting blocks up for yourself. So, but anyway, it's so many things. I'm just so excited about life, and that's how it should be. And when I come here and I'm here in my office, like I'm in my office now. My son is here too. But it's like, it's chill, it's relaxed. You know what I'm saying? I get to sit back and think. And I was just, before I got ready to go, I said, let me just drop in. Let me check on y'all, see how you doing. You know what I'm saying? There's no chaos. I give thanks for peace in my mind, in my business, peace and harmony between myself and everyone that I come in contact with, the people that I do business with and work with. You know what I'm saying? So bless your interactions. Bless your environment. But anyway, that's another topic. All right, y'all. That's all I have for you and y'all. Fridays, don't forget. It's a way for people to, especially the way things are going now, think about it. And I'm gonna get ready to get off of here. If people are feeling this inflation that we're in right now, where things you used to pay $1 for, you're paying $3 for now. You're paying $4 for now. That's a serious jump. From $2 to $4 to $5. But your money, your income haven't changed, but the price of everything else has changed. That's a help to somebody, even if it's just their extra money. It's okay. If it's something they have, you just help people, and by helping them, you help yourself, and everybody wins. You got to remember supply and demand. It may not be the most sexiest product to sell, but it moves. And that's what you need to think about. I don't fall in love with a deal or a product. You got to fall in love with the success, the results. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later.